How to create automatic savings goals in Tangerine. Log in to your Tangerine account using the mobile app and open the goals section. Tap on start a new goal and give your goal a name like vacation, emergency fund, or new gadget, and then set the target amount you want to save. Choose the savings account where you want the money to be deposited automatically. You can then turn on automatic transfers so the money moves without you having to remember each time. Pick how often the transfers will happen, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and select the amount that feels right for your budget. You can also set a date you want to reach your goal, and Tangerine will calculate how much to transfer to help you get there. Choose which checking account the money should come from, and review the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you confirm, the automatic transfers will begin, and you'll see your savings grow within every contribution. You can track your progress anytime in the app, and if your plans change, it's easy to pause or adjust your goal whenever you need to. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.